So the results from this research will be important because it will provide land managers and landowners with information about how future extreme droughts may affect the forests that they care about. This can be important because on the one hand, we may be able to suggest management interventions that can help to reduce the impacts of the drought. That can increase the resilience of the forest to an extreme drought. So, for example, thinning stands, or at least keeping them within a healthy stocking range, can help to reduce the impacts of drought because species won't be competing for scarce water resources. If we know that a particular species is particularly sensitive to drought, then we know that, well, in forest stands where this particular species is dominant, we really want to make sure that those land managers or landowners have this information so that they can better prepare their forests to be able to withstand an extreme drought. Another way that this research, I think, can help inform management decisions is that we know that certain species are very important economically to this region. And so just to give an example, sugar maple and the syruping industry is very reliant on sugar maple as a species. And once we understand a little bit better what the potential impacts of drought are on the species, if the species is not able to withstand extreme droughts, then it may be we can recommend to land managers that they start to think about other species that may be able to, for example, in this case, produce syrup, but maybe more resistance to extreme drought. So again, it's the idea of diversifying the management opportunities to prepare for the possibility of extreme droughts in the future and what some of those impacts may be on forests in this region.